Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cloud and Data with Kaushik. So in this JavaScript interview series, the next question is that interviewer may ask, like, remove duplicate value from array in JavaScript. This is also very important and frequently asked question by the interviewer. So without any delay, let's get started. So we are inside our environment and interview underscore 5.js. So I will take 2 or 3 approaches for solving this problem, right? So first approach is that JavaScript filter method. JavaScript filter method. Okay, I will take this approach. So const my custom array, any name you can add, and you have to supply some array element inside the array. Okay. So I intentionally take duplicate value over there. Okay. So Rahul and Kaushik and 20. These 3 are duplicate value, right? So they may ask, you have to remove the duplicate value. So first approach, JavaScript filter method. So I'll just cut it, and so this is my array. So first I will write one function, const remove duplicate array, and I will take the arrow function. Okay. If you are not familiar with the arrow function, you can also write this way. Function remove duplicate array. But ES6, they have provided this arrow function facility. So this is the modern JavaScript, right? You have to use on that. Otherwise, the old method is that you have to create the function. The same thing I will write. So I just comment it out. You can use the function mode also. Okay. And you have to supply the array. Means this is my parameter argument. You can see, right? And you can return array dot filter method. So I will use filter method. Inside the filter method, I will take item comma index. These two value, okay? Item and index. And then what I will write? I will use index of array dot index of. Don't write O F this way, okay? O should be capital of. And you have to pass your item. But item is there, you have to pass, and is equal to index. Okay. Done. My filter method is done. Now, if we write console.log, so print statement duplicate array, you have to pass it and supply your main array element. And this is my custom array. Okay. You have to add. This is one approach. Let's take a look that it's working or not. So just write node interview underscore 5. Okay. And this. So you can see I earlier the main array element Kaushik was twice. Kaushik and Kaushik. Okay. Rahul was twice. Rahul and Rahul. 20 was twice. So it returns me the unique value. Kaushik, Rahul, 2010. Okay. You can use this approach. Otherwise, one new approach that is also ES6 provide set method. So JavaScript set method. Okay. So S should be capital, set method. You can use. So const remove, or I will write normal function, so you can also familiarize. Remove duplicate, add, and set method. Okay, this is the function name. Any name as per your choice you can pick. This is a function name, and you have to apply your array element over there. Okay, and return. What will return? This triple dot indicates this is the spread operator. It holds the previous value. Okay, and new set. SE, you can say the set method is there. Okay, new set method. Okay, and inside the set method, you have to supply your array and console done. My function is done. Only this line. New set array. You don't need to do any index of filter, nothing. This is one approach, right? Console.log and remove duplicate array set, and you have to pass your custom array. Okay, let's see it's work or not. So node interview underscore file, this is my file name, interview underscore file, and I will add node interview underscore file. Okay, and hit. Same result I provided, right? So first console log, remove duplicate array with filter method, and remove the second method. This is posting. So I will add one label. So it will, you can understand better way. Remove array with filter method. Remove array with set method. Okay. With set method. So here I will use one function, and here I will use the arrow function. Okay. Any approach you can take. And node interview.js. Now it clearly written remove array with filter method, remove array with set method. So these two approach you have to take. Another approach is that for each method. So JavaScript for each method. Okay. Any way you can solve that. I will provide all the possible solutions. Okay. JavaScript for each method. This is another approach where you can use that. So here I will write const for each array, remove any name you can apply as per your choice. Okay, and you have to pass the array element over it. So this is my array element as argument or parameter I have passed. And left, I will take one new empty array. Okay. This is indicates the array there is no value. So this is my empty array. You can take. Next, simply you can do array dot for each element you can take, and this is camel case. Don't write for each, just write for each in this way. Okay, for each and element. You can write any name, and inside that I just write one thing. If my new empty array is not equal to dot and includes is one method. Okay, includes. So you can also include something, includes. Okay, this is also yes new features, the includes method. and you have to pass your element, ELM. Okay, you have to pass your element and you can write new item array and I just push inside the array my element. So automatically that duplicates will be removed. So includes determine whether an array includes a certain element returning true or false as appropriate. You can see that includes method determine whether an array includes a certain element returning true or false as appropriate. So you can use includes method also. Okay. So that is done. Let's check. Just copy the console log from the above statement and change it accordingly. Okay. Just go over there and paste console.log, remove array with for each method. These three are any of them you can use. Okay. So for each array remove, you can write for each array remove and my custom array. Let's check. Now go to my command prompt and clear my screen and note interview underscore file. This is my file name, interview underscore file. Note interview underscore file. Either you will write .js extension or not. You can leave also .js extension, okay? And press enter. Oh, I return, yes. The only small mistake, I'm very sorry for that. I not return that new empty array. That is the reason it's showing undefined. And clear the screen and interview 5.js. You can say Kaushik, Rahul 20 and 10. It will 20. So these three approach you can take. Any of them you can use. So I suggest that you can use set. So it's also means you can impress the interviewer with this method. Okay, set method you can either take or filter or for each. Any of them you can use. So set method is only one line of code. You can later restructure in other way these functions. Okay, so the undefined was coming because I'm not returning my array. So that's why. So array dot for each instead of for loop, you can use JavaScript for each method. Okay. And inside the for each method, take the one iterator. So elim is my iterator. It will check one by one and simply not equal to sign means if not elim includes, so you can also push the other element. Use empty array dot push. So it will push one by one and check and push one by one. So this is my empty array and you can push the value. Once first cycle is done, suppose it is my first cycle, okay? Then it will go and again the array will be empty and then push. So in this way it will work. So I hope you can enjoy this video and you have cleared, the idea is clear. Any of them you can take and please subscribe my channel. In this way we can grow and learn together. Thank you everyone for joining the session. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment box and surely I will address. And each and every code I will add in the GitHub and you can get from and share the GitHub link. I just not mention in the previous video this text, but everything I will mention in my description box. So from there you can get my GitHub repository also, each and every code. Okay. Thank you everyone for joining the session. Thanks.